What is up, guys? Back with another taser unboxing. As you can see, I'm not really stoked about this. It's the VTS 979. It's got a bigger number. It's gonna have a bigger kick. Comes with a wrist strap. It's got like this little golden cloth inside here. Some kind of Chinese holiday or something. Again, this strange, small little plug-in and sheath I'll likely never use. Okay, this has the appearance. This has the appearance of a taser. I don't know. There's like some kind of. What the hell that is? It's got, again, a crappy light. The one that's shaped like a flashlight already, I can say, has the best light on it. Oh god. This is not cool, guys. This is gonna suck really bad. And I think this is the most powerful one that I could find in stock. I don't know why I'm straightening up. I just need to go ahead and get it over with. I still don't know what this little button is at the bottom. If anybody knows what this little button is, or you know, comment below. I can probably just check in the manual. But oh god. Hey, look, I got a little mark from that last little taser. Yeah, this is gonna suck probably worse than the first one I reviewed, the flashlight looking one. Here goes nothing, guys. Just put it in the meaty part next to these other burns where I've tased myself already today. It's for you guys. I said it in the last one. I'm angry with myself for ordering these to do this for you guys. But let's get to it. Oh god. Oh. Okay. I can already say that okay, that's leaving the old-fashioned white marks. I actually have, it's like a hole right there in my arm now that it's burnt in. Hopefully you guys can see that little hole thing I'm talking about. That wasn't there before. So yeah, this will actually burn you pretty bad. I still gotta say though, out of all the three that I've done so far, the flashlight one still seems with the best quality. It definitely has the best light on it. As tasers go though, pretty sure this one takes the cake, because they burn a little hole in my arm. So yeah. If you enjoyed seeing me hurt myself yet again, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys, as always.